An exciting new leak hints at what the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra could look like. A video surfaced online, showcasing a prototype with a sleek, curvy design that features flat edges and rounded corners. The anticipation builds as the official announcement of the new S series phones approaches, as enthusiasts eagerly await innovations that promise to elevate the user experience. This prototype illustrates Samsung's shift toward a more modern aesthetic with a design that appears both boxier and more refined than previous models. The video reveals separate rear camera ports, adding to the elegance of the device. Flat sides may appeal to many, including those who appreciate a more contemporary feel. But there's a whisper of concern about how the flat back will fare in hand, particularly during long periods of use. Upon first glance, the glossy aluminum or titanium finish captivates, giving the impression of being meticulously crafted from a single block of high-quality metal. This tactile elegance promises beauty, as well as durability. The camera setup deserves special attention, featuring an impressive 200 megapixels HP2 main sensor, complemented by a 50MP 5x telescopic and 10MP 3x telescopic lenses. The introduction of a 50MP ISOCELL JN3 ultra-wide lens indicates a notable upgrade this season. Each lens exemplifies the pursuit of photographic excellence amidst increasing competition in the smartphone market. However, excitement remains tempered by some unanswered questions, particularly regarding the device's thickness. Speculations suggest that the Ultra could be slimmer than the iPhone 17 Pro, which would certainly make it stand out further. As we look ahead to its official release, it's reported that the Galaxy S25 Ultra may showcase a stunning 6.9-inch 120Hz AMOLED display powered by a Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset paired with an impressive 16 gigabits of RAM and storage options that could reach up to 1 terabyte of non-expandable memory, solidifying its status as a powerhouse in smartphone technology. Battery performance is poised to remain robust with a substantial 5,000 mAh capacity that can still keep up with demanding use throughout the day. Coupled with 45 watts wired charging, the S25 Ultra aims to deliver not only performance, but also convenience. As we anticipate its release, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra emerges as a promising contender, capturing the spirit of innovation and style that Samsung fans have come to value.